Welcome back to Crypto Talk, where we discuss everything related to cryptocurrency and investing. In this video, we'll be exploring the relationship between cryptocurrency and the stock market. While these two markets may seem distinct, they are more closely related than you might think. Correlation between cryptocurrency and the stock market. Cryptocurrency and the stock market have shown some correlation in recent years. For example, when the stock market crashed in March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, cryptocurrency prices also experienced a steep decline. This could be due to investors pulling their funds out of risky assets during times of uncertainty. Impact of news and events. News and events that affect the stock market can also impact the cryptocurrency market. For example, if a major company announces a partnership with a cryptocurrency project, it could cause a surge in the price of that cryptocurrency. Similarly, if a government announces new regulations on cryptocurrency, it could cause a drop in prices. Differences in market structure. While there are some similarities between cryptocurrency and the stock market, there are also some key differences in their market structures. For example, the stock market is heavily regulated and has a central authority, such as a stock exchange, that facilitates trading. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network. Diversification benefits. Investing in both cryptocurrency and the stock market can provide diversification benefits for investors. By diversifying their portfolio across different asset classes, investors can spread their risk and potentially reduce volatility. That's a brief overview of the relationship between cryptocurrency and the stock market. While there are some similarities and correlations between the two, there are also some important differences in their market structures. As always, it's important for investors to do their own research and understand the risks and potential benefits of each market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content on cryptocurrency and investing. We'll see you next time on Crypto Talk.